If your Rabobank account is locked, you can follow these steps to recover access quickly. Ensure you have your account details handy before starting the process. Step 1. Visit the Rabobank website. Go to the official Rabobank website. Look for the login section where you will find options for account recovery or assistance. Step 2. Select Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter required information. Provide the necessary information such as your account number and any personal identification details requested. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS to confirm your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to unlock your account. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Rabobank account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Rabobank customer support for further assistance.